This was my old thumbnail, and this is the one which AI tool turned it into. Same video, same title, triple the clicks. And no, I didn't hire a designer. I didn't spend $10,000 like MrBeast does on just one thumbnail. I use an AI tool, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it step by step. See, here's what most creator gets wrong. You give full energy to the scripting, full energy to the editing, but nobody hears your script, nobody sees your editing until they click on your video. Treat your thumbnail like a book cover. As if cover doesn't sell, nobody read the book. That's why MrBeast has an entire team just for the thumbnails. Designers, multiple version of every single video. You don't have that team, but after today, you wanna need one. Because this AI tool studies what makes viral thumbnail work. The faces, the emotion, the contrast, and the one focal point, and apply it directly to your thumbnail in seconds. By the end of this video, you will take your worst performing thumbnail and rebuild in a way a million subscriber channel would. Let's get into it, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. This thumbnail is also created with the same tool. So the tool is Thumbs AI, where we have lots of inspiration from a creator like MrBeast. So if I see over here master icons like MrBeast, from this image I have taken inspiration and created my AI clone. So if I show you over here, my thumbnail for my AI clone is like this. So I take inspiration from MrBeast and create something like this. And if we explore over here, we have studio and creator, gaming, all those viral thumbnails with number of clicks, how many clicks it is getting. These are like gaming, cinematic, sports, but let me show you. Okay, let's give the sports. So we have sports, cinematic. Let's say take an example of this, The Boys final season. We did your homework, and in this I want my face. This AI tool needs to ban. And the series final season AI creation thumbnail. We can take an example like AI thumbnail or AI created thumbnail, something like this. And we can choose a reference style also. Let's start generating it. And if you see over here in my asset, like I was trying free versus paid tools, so it was like this. I was like Netflix saying documentary, and it gives the score as well. Just like over here, it was inspired by Virality 76 score. This was totally MrBeast, but I changed something, so it gave me a virality score, but it's 53 because the text is not looking good. This one has 82, inspired by MrBeast. This one I really like about my event, but still I need to have some improvements, more than 70. That's where the things work. Just like over here, the AI tool creation has a lots of clickbait. Next, if I'm going to this, I can recreate any thumbnail just by putting any YouTube link. And from that YouTube link, it can grab the thumbnail. Just like if I go to my video, YouTube video, and I will copy this thumbnail, I will paste it over here and let it grab the thumbnail. 8 hours versus this. And now I can enhance. I need to write something, but let's take an inspiration from the studio and creator. On the left, make it like 8 hours manual work in a sketch versus 10 minutes with this AI tool. Take my image with cap on left and right, text, and let's try something with this tool. And so this one, the series AI created thumbnail, this AI tool needs to ban, and it takes my smiling photograph just from a single click. But still the score is not good, we need to improve it. I'm just trying it out. And then it has a thumbnail inspirations, and the one which I like, because we need to have some weird faces in the thumbnail. I can have my like angry look, shock look. This was my original photograph. Let me try it some with you. Let me upload my one of the photograph, and let me make it confused, Nippon confused, and let it generate something. We'll see the tools and creation, and let's see, we have a 78 score. 8 hours of manual work in a sketch, 10 minutes with this AI tool. Takes the inspiration and make it little bit, my photograph get changed because I need to prompt it correctly. And there is a beautiful option of enhance. Whenever you write a prompt, just click on this, it will enhance because we are not prompting it a perfect way. We are just letting it what's in my mind, but we can prompt it accordingly how exactly we want. And then we have aspect ratio of shots also that we can upload reels. Then the variations of YouTube video. This is how you can use this tool. And there is a link in the description how exactly you can use thumbs.ai, and I love that confused one. And you can go and check it out your tool with this, and do follow for more AI updates.